Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful for all you Smartsheet users out there. The title is, How to Create a Pie Chart in Smartsheet Dashboard, 2025, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to visualize your data like a pro. Smartsheet is an awesome tool for project management and data tracking, and pie charts are perfect for showing proportions at a glance. Whether you're tracking team progress or budget allocations, this feature will make your dashboards pop. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard where you want to add the pie chart. Click on the Add Widget button. It's usually in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Chart as your widget type. Now, here's where the fun begins. Choose Pie Chart from the chart options. You'll need to select your data source next. This could be a sheet you've already created, so go ahead and link it by clicking on the data range you want to use. For example, if you're visualizing sales data, pick columns like categories and values. Smartsheet will automatically generate a basic pie chart, but let's customize it to make it your own. Click on the chart to open the editing options. You can change colors, add labels, adjust the title, or even tweak the legend for better readability. Don't forget to set any filters if your data is large. This keeps things focused. Once you're happy with how it looks, hit Save and watch your dashboard update in real time. And there you have it. You've just created a pie chart in your Smartsheet dashboard. Remember, practice makes perfect, so experiment with different datasets. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on productivity tools. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.